Hi, this is Mike. Today we're going to replace a scroll on a Syncrolite SXL.
First step, remove the lid. Roll the scroll to the long tag end and remove the tape. Be sure to let the roller tube unwind slowly to avoid damage to internal components. Roll the scroll back up. Remove the scroll and the tape from the short tag end. Apply double stick tape to the inside of the long tag end. Syncrolite recommends using 3M 9500PC double-sided tape. Roll the scroll up to the short tag end. And apply double stick tape to the short tag end on the inside of the scroll. When installing the scroll, make sure the tags go towards the sensor side of the scroll. Insert the scroll through the gel guides and the sensor guides. It's important to make sure the coated side always faces the lamp source. There will be a serial number written on the coated side of the substrate. Remove the liner on the long tag end of the scroll. Line the scroll up even to the screws on the tube. Apply gaff tape over the double stick tape. Roll the scroll up tightly. Make sure scroll is in between the roller flanges. Hold the end of the scroll and rotate 4 to 5 times away from you. Remove the liner on the double stick tape on the long tag side. Apply the end of the scroll to the roller tube, making sure it's centered. Then apply the gaff tape over the double stick tape. And roll through the scroll, make sure it's tight. If everything looks good, replace the lid and the fasteners and you're done.